Hi, this is Jeff at PeakFlow Pumps. We've covered the basic introduction to what the iControl is and another video about the components of the iControl. This video is just to show you briefly how it is that it's an internet connected system and why that matters. So basically the system installs just like any other backup pump system on the market. The only difference is the keypad here, of course, is a web server, so you have to get internet to it. The preferred way of doing that is running a cable, a Cat 5 cable, between right here, plugs in right underneath, back to your router. In our example here, we're actually not going to do it that way. Our router isn't within reach. It's a Wi-Fi router too far away. So I'm going to use what's called a wireless adapter. Basically, this just plugs into the bottom and then connects with the Wi-Fi router and puts whatever's connected to it online. So I'm just going to do that real quick here. I'll just set it there for convenience purposes. So now this Wi-Fi adapter will connect to the router. We've kind of pre-configured it. And the unit's online. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. The iControl has an online interface, and the web server is built right into this unit. So there it is. I'll put it on system 1. So what this interface does, what this allows us to do, is silence alarms, test the pump, edit settings, whatever we want to do from wherever in the world we are. Anywhere, it doesn't matter if we're even in the same country. As long as we have an internet connection, we can connect to our equipment in our basement and know that everything is working fine and have that peace of mind. So I'm just going to log into it real quick and show you very briefly what the interface has. So now I'm logged in, and there's 5 tabs down along the bottom. By the way, this keypad right here is an exact replica of the keypad that's on the hardware itself, so it's very familiar, and the buttons actually click just as if you're pressing the buttons on the hardware. So the first tab here is called the Legend, which is basically a quick owner's manual. There's a Config tab. These are the settings for the pump system itself, so you can adjust things such as how often it sends you an AOK message, how often it's self-testing, how long the pump runs when the sensor sees there's no more water. All those types of things are on the Config tab. There's an Alarm tab. Just helps you manage alarms if there's an event going on. Helps you silence them, reset them, that kind of thing. There's a History tab that you can generate a list of all the alarms that have occurred in the past. It'll keep a history of several dozen alarms. And then the last tab is your Emails tab. So you can set up multiple email and text recipients to get alarm notifications. So that's a real quick run through of what the iControl internet connection means for you. Our equipment is, of course, made in America. We offer it at a price that is, if not comparable, maybe even less than other so-called premium systems. And there's lots more information and video on the PeakFlowPumps.com website. Thanks for watching.